ng 7 Emirates Guardians Council para sa welcome address. Miss Evelyn Archibing Aurelio, come forward.
Pagkakan natin yung ating executive pagkakan chairman, dalangin din.
Okay, good morning, brothers and sisters.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Christian. At maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa aming first meeting ng Philippine Emirates Guardians Council at sa mga lahat ng founders. Meron kami ngayong 13 groups sa Guardians ay function or branch. So from Abu Dhabi, maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Isa natin sa maraming salamat sa PGCI Knights, Philippine Guardians Opinion Force Incorporated. GUAA, Guardians Immigrant Legion. AOGG PDO, Alpha Omega Global Guardians Brotherhood. Pagka tinawag, tayo muna kayo.
Tayo po yung leader, nakakakamala.
Okay, maraming salamat. Next po natin ang GPBI, Guardians Kabisi Brotherhood. Next is kasama GII, Kapatiran Samahang Matatag Guardians International Incorporated. Next po ang RAM GBII, Reform Unified Maharlika Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated. GBI TAG Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated, the United Group. Wala sila. NBGBI, New Breed Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated. PMGI Kalasap, Guardians Magic Group Integrated. UGBI TCI, Unified Guardians Brotherhood International, Anti-Graft and next is EGBII, Tagalitas Guardians Brotherhood International Incorporated. Last natin ang Kabay, Guardians Alakan Brotherhood International Incorporated. Maraming salamat. Lalo na sa ating mga bagong halal na officer na Civil Guardians Incorporated. Pupo from GMGA Balasag. Ay, kasama niya ay, sorry. Kami, sa Bakla. Aking PRO from GBII, Peter Ingrid Mar Balawin. Business Manager from GBI TAG, Maria Cecilia, PCGS, White Tiger, and Bro Julius, MF, July, from NBGBI. At sa ating Sergeant at Arts from GMGI Balasag, Bijan, PCG is BJ. Last, ang ating Sergeant at Arms from UG BIEGCI, Crew Jaime, PCG is Donwood Villanueva. Ang ating committee from EG ating